it's Martha Blessing from marthablessing.com, and welcome to this soul light language energy clearing for grounding, root chakra, restoring flow into your body, into your root chakra. If this frequency and activation resonates with you, I invite you to grab the free energy clearing in the link down below in the description, or join me for a live activation on Wednesday evenings. That link as well is down below in the description. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Your soul knows exactly what to do with these codes for its expansion, for its sovereignty, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, spiritual health, and grounding. Ipitani, Oshikoni, Ipakanti, Atikonto, Moto Kinta, Shindi Gandhi, Morakonta, Irashinta, Shitikariko, Omo Chintantanti, Ishinta Atikoto, Mitonti Atakinta, Pikuri Kunta, Tirikinta Tarekapo, Ishinti Tati Shoto, Pikonti Kadikan, Itanti Karikata, Ikanti Kariko, Imatori Itakinda, Itakopopopopana, and Ashita Ati Oto, Miti Aria Kanta, Ishota Kanta Kotokopoto, Mitari O Patitanti, Miti Karika Ama Shikota, Ishanti Katikinta, Ishore Pinda, Ara Mori O Kintaria Pata, Shikinta Arikantari, Imoti Orikokonta, Moto Shinta, Iti Ati Oto, Moti Anti Interkatakiri Atia, Mori Arikinda, Iri Arikanda, Mitandi Arikoto, Ishinti Ariata, Imanti Ariata, Imonti Arikinta, Kikandi Arima, Ishondi Aribinda, Ikandi Al Capono, Ikompi Interkinta, Ishotopotokono, Ipakinta Katakono, Motokinta Katakini, Idakara Karakaponi, Ishandi Ariminta, Ipatani, Pitetoni Potokinta, Ishandi, Muri Gorikin, Tiri Karapantate, Apatanta, Upatonda, Ipatanta Karakinta, Ishantanti, Moto Kinta Karakata Katapoto, Ipitani Taripada, Ipakone od Kinta Ishantandi, Mishitanti Tori Motori, Ipikatandi Garakashanti, Shikikoni Kori, Shikakani Karakakindi, Imikoni Koko, Ipakana, Ishakana Ida and the Matakinda, Ida Shodomona, Patani Upatinta Kiti Kopo, Mo Totatoni, Ipatani Tatito, Mindinde Dadido, Indandi Didikabati, Shonti Odimakindi, Dadi Kati Katana, Ishodi Odimatita Anti Amba, Akania Ukobani, Ishankanti Arika Panta, Shokoni Omokindi, Ipatani Atakatanti Shatipotono. With joy and love from Irianda, Source, and all that there is or is, ever was, ever will be, is here now for you. Receive with love and joy.